Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. It's been a kind of crazy time for all of us recently, but I wanted to hop on here and kind of give you an overview of what the semester is going to look like for the remainder of the year. So if you did not know, we are going fully online learning and classes will officially start on April 6th. So that's 1 week from today. So in Earth Science, I'm going to kind of give you an overview of what to expect and how you can be successful in your online classes. So first, everything will be through Google Classroom. So make sure you check that every single day for new announcements, or if you have questions, you can also leave comments on assignments and I can communicate with you through that. So all assignments will be online. Any sort of lecture notes will be recorded and then you'll have to watch the video of the recording and take notes that way. There will be a weekly to-do list to keep yourself organized, so I'm going to make it pretty clear on each day what you should be working on, and I promise to not overwhelm you. I know you have many other classes, so there will be a weekly checklist for you to keep up with. I will hold optional Zoom meetings on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 1 p.m. to help with homework or answer questions, and the link to join those Zoom meetings will be through Google Classroom. If you've not used Zoom before, it's kind of like a giant FaceTime. So I'll be available more on a face-to-face live level on answering questions and helping you with any homework. So again, those are optional, but I would really encourage you to hop on there if you have questions with homework or if you need me to answer any project, assignment, clarifications. So how to overall keep up with online classes. First, make sure you check Google Classroom. This will be my main source of communication, as well as I'm sure it will be your other teacher's main source of communication as well. Please email me if you're confused or have questions. Us teachers are more than willing to help you guys through this time. We know that it's not easy to switch to online learning halfway through the semester, so we're here to work with you and help you in any way we can. Last, don't get overwhelmed. Make a to-do list for yourself every morning. Focus on what's important to get done that day, and then make sure you're keeping yourself accountable and checking off those assignments as you're completing them. So I hope this finds you guys doing well. Know that we missed you guys. We're thinking about you, and we're excited for classes to start on Monday.